Alright. Listen up!
Go!
Go! Go!
I will destroy you!
Repositioning, let's move out there, pushing this way. Go left, go left.
Alright, hang on a sec. Thank you!
So close.
We gotta lock this shit down good before. Oh shit! Back into that those structures over there.
Yeah, the rest right here, and I don't want to see it.
Ross, get down! Got him! Got him too. Alright. Oh shit. How badly fucked up do you think I'd get if I ran at those boxes?
Pretty fucked up.
Fuck it. They're calling if he's hit. I can't tell where they're going once they get to about 5 feet of him. I could see so many, but it's such a waste of ammo. They're so far away. Oh, got him. Hey, Baldy. Got him too. Nice shooting. Basically in spray mode right now. Oh, got him finally. That guy in the hat. Alright, moving across. Oh, shit! Oh, hit! Didn't see them there.
Yeah.
Motherfucker! Alright, all 3 of my guns are broken. And now, I will kill everyone with my 20 shots. Right. Strip my piston. Strip 2 pistons. And I have a wiring problem in the 3rd gun. Crossing. Hey, you guys gonna run? I'm coming with. Say when. I shot my hand! Wow, they're still alive at that car? Sweet.
Yeah, we just gotta keep them alive.
Hard. Huh?
So we just gotta hold now.
Yeah. They fucking shot my hand off the rope.
Keep killing them and stay safe!
Ooh, angry people.
This is one guy with really long range on the staircase of the tower.
They're gonna make a move!
Missing.
That's good for now. I want my pistol to take it.
2 people there is all you need.
Just don't let them touch that flag. Bang kill them as soon as they get up to the car. Otherwise.
The fort!
Left side! Fort! Fort!
Fort, left side. Press the fort!
Jesus Christ, I'm so still.
How many are down there?
Couple.
How close are they?
From here to the 3rd bunker.
Ah, I was saying I got a grenade. Ooh. Was it in here? Did you get hit by BBs? No.
Sorry, Jake, the phone's over.
Yeah, my gun's tripped its piston. I'm down to this the rest of the night, or good day.
Ready?
I got the flag. I'm not going anywhere.
I know, I'm just going to...
They tried to breach. Jimmy, they're getting mad. You guys are getting mad. Keep ready. Stay ready. Just remember, bang kills.
I might have aggravated that. I don't want to move.
Bad ricochet. That really fucking hurt.
Jake, got the gun hit.
Huh. Hey guys, they're right up at this gray building! They're right up at the gray building! In the doorway! Oh man, that was crazy.
One of those guys went out. The guy